there, welcome to the studio. Well, I've been working on blue and white paintings all day long, so stay tuned and you'll get to see some fabulous things that I'm doing with balloon kisses and blue and white paint. All right, so now I have a little 10 by 10 canvas and I'm going to do a Delft blue balloon kiss on this. I have my white, regular craft white, mixed with 70% Elmer's glue all and 30% water, distilled water. I like to use distilled water because I do not want to fight with whatever kind of chlorine or chemicals might be in other waters. In some of my earlier videos, you may have seen me talk about using bottled water. I have stopped using that because I don't like the unpredictable nature of some of the waters, even if they're in a bottle. So I've got some distilled water. Buy it by the gallon. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread this all out. And with this painting, I'm going to do some blues, 2 different color blues, and I'm actually going to put some gold in the middle of the flowers. So we'll see how those come out. Now let me show you the paintings that I just did. And get lots of paper towels ready because the balloon kiss process is a little bit messy. Got about 4. So this is one of the paintings that I just did with a blue background, white balloon kisses, white and cobalt blue. The other one that I did was with a white background, same colors, cobalt blue, metallic blue. The only difference with this square one is I'm going to add some gold. All right, so let's try this one with some gold. So first with some dots of dark blue. Here we go. We're going to take our balloon, which has just been recently used. We're going to start right in the center. Push it in, pull it straight up. It starts giving me some beautiful effects. Now look at the balloon. Isn't that fabulous? Now if I want that same design over here, well, I guess it covered it up because it had too much white. So let's try another spot. Oh, beautiful. Lovely. So I like to carry some of that paint to the other spots on the canvas. And then just keep moving around. Now this one's going to have a lot more light blue in it. I love that. And sometimes if I find that I have too much paint on my canvas, this is actually a good way to pull your paint off your canvas too, because you pull it up and then you just wipe it off, throw that paper towel away and move on to another spot. So we're going to keep going. I like that middle spot there. And if I want more of a certain color, when I get to almost the end of my painting, I just drip some more on and go again. I'm gonna like this with this gold in it. I think I want some more dark blue. Let's go for a couple more drops of that. Let's put some gold right down in the middle of it. I just lost the lid. All right, let's set my balloon down. Give me some more gold. All right, let's see how that goes. Nice. And just keep working your canvas till you find out whether you're done. It's up to you. I like to make sure that all of my canvas has something touched on it. Oop, that one I liked, but it dripped right after. Oh, beautiful. I think I might be done. What do you think? I'm going to put some of those on the sides. There we go. I think that is the end. All right, so this is the finished painting. This is cobalt blue, dark blue metallic from Deco Art, and some gold. Isn't that beautiful?